In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add autocorrection on your keyboard. You can simply add autocorrection to your iPhone keyboard in just few simple steps. By adding autocorrection, words or sentences that seem to be spelled incorrectly will automatically change on your keyboard. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Select the option of General. Scroll down onto the option of Keyboard. Enable this option of autocorrection. Whenever you type in any word incorrectly, it will automatically get changed to the correct spelling. That's how easy it is to enable autocorrection on your iPhone keyboard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.